Navigating the complexities of modern romance can feel like traversing a maze, filled with twists, turns, and unexpected revelations. In the quest for love, we're often advised to tread carefully, balancing our desires with the need for patience and understanding. From communicating openly to maintaining independence, each step holds the potential to shape the course of our relationships. Join me as we delve into the intricacies of winning commitment while honoring individual autonomy, exploring how patience, empathy, and self-discovery pave the path to lasting love. 10. Stay open to other possibilities. Remaining open to other possibilities is essential for maintaining a healthy perspective on your romantic life. While you're giving him space and time to figure things out, it's important not to close yourself off to other potential connections or experiences. By keeping your options open, you prevent yourself from becoming overly fixated on one person, which can lead to disappointment or frustration if things don't progress as desired. Embrace the opportunity to meet new people, explore different relationships, and pursue your own interests and passions. This not only allows you to maintain a sense of independence and autonomy, but also provides valuable perspective on what you truly want and deserve in a partner. 9. Be understanding. Being understanding is essential in any relationship, especially when it comes to commitment. Acknowledge and respect his reasons for not being ready, recognizing that everyone has their own unique timeline and journey when it comes to relationships. Instead of pressuring or criticizing him for his hesitance, approach the situation with empathy and compassion. Listen attentively to his concerns and fears, and validate his feelings without judgment. By showing understanding and patience, you create a safe space for open communication and emotional vulnerability, which can ultimately strengthen the bond between you. Remember that rushing or forcing someone into commitment rarely leads to a healthy and sustainable relationship. 8. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining your self-respect and preserving the integrity of the relationship. It's important to prioritize your own needs, values, and well-being rather than compromising them in pursuit of commitment. Be clear about what you're comfortable with and what you're not, and communicate these boundaries openly and assertively. Avoid sacrificing your own happiness or core values in the hopes of securing his commitment, as this can lead to resentment and dissatisfaction in the long run. By respecting and upholding your boundaries, you not only demonstrate self-respect and self-worth, but also set a precedent for healthy communication and mutual respect within the relationship. Wonderful viewers, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up by pressing that like button below. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep creating content. 7. Maintain your independence. Maintaining your independence is essential for a healthy and balanced relationship. It's important not to lose sight of your own identity and autonomy while navigating the dynamics of a partnership. By continuing to pursue your own interests, passions, and goals, you demonstrate self-confidence, resilience, and a strong sense of self. This not only keeps your life fulfilling and enriching, but also prevents the relationship from becoming suffocating or codependent. Encourage each other to pursue individual endeavors and support each other's personal growth and fulfillment. Having independent lives allows for a sense of freedom and space within the relationship, fostering mutual respect and admiration. 6. Continue to grow. Continuously prioritizing your personal growth and development is not only beneficial for you, but also for the health of your relationship. By focusing on becoming the best version of yourself, you not only enhance your own well-being and fulfillment, but also radiate confidence, positivity, and self-assurance, which are inherently attractive qualities. Engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, whether it's pursuing hobbies, learning new skills, or fostering meaningful relationships outside of the romantic sphere. Strive to overcome challenges and embrace opportunities for growth, both individually and within the context of the relationship. Your commitment to personal evolution not only enriches your own life, but also inspires and motivates your partner to do the same, fostering mutual growth and strengthening the bond between you both. 5. Be patient. Patience is key when it comes to building a meaningful and lasting relationship. Rushing someone into commitment can create unnecessary pressure and strain, potentially leading to resentment or premature decisions. By giving him the time and space he needs to navigate his feelings and reach his own conclusions, you demonstrate respect for his autonomy and individual journey. Allow the relationship to evolve naturally, without imposing timelines or expectations. Trust that if the connection is genuine, it will continue to grow stronger over time. Patience fosters a sense of ease and trust within the relationship, laying the groundwork for a healthier and more sustainable partnership in the long run. 4. Show your value. Demonstrating your value through your actions is a powerful way to cultivate attraction and connection without applying undue pressure for commitment. Showcase your qualities and virtues authentically by being kind, supportive, and reliable in your interactions. Let him witness firsthand how you contribute positively to his life and the lives of those around you. By embodying your best self, you naturally highlight the reasons why you would make a great partner. However, it's important to avoid explicitly pushing for commitment, as this can feel manipulative and may push him away. Instead, focus on being genuine and present in the relationship, allowing him to appreciate your worth on his own terms. This approach not only builds a strong foundation for a potential future together, but also fosters a deeper sense of admiration and respect between you both. 3. Focus on friendship. Focusing on building a strong foundation of friendship is essential for nurturing a healthy and lasting relationship. By prioritizing friendship, you create a solid basis of trust, understanding, and mutual respect. Enjoying each other's company without the pressure of romantic expectations allows both of you to relax and truly be yourselves. This friendship forms the backbone of your connection, providing support and companionship regardless of the romantic aspect. It also allows you to explore each other's interests, values, and personalities more deeply, strengthening your bond over time. Embracing the friendship aspect of your relationship fosters a sense of comfort and ease, laying the groundwork for a fulfilling and enduring partnership. 2. Give him space. Respecting his need for space demonstrates maturity and consideration in the relationship. Understand that everyone has their own pace when it comes to processing emotions and making decisions about commitment. By giving him the freedom to explore his feelings without pressure or coercion, you create an environment where he can authentically engage with you. Pressuring him to commit prematurely will likely lead to resistance and resentment, ultimately pushing him further away. Instead, allow him the time and space he needs to reflect on his feelings and come to his own conclusions organically. This approach not only respects his autonomy, but also strengthens the foundation of trust and respect in the relationship. 1. Communicate openly. Open communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. By initiating an honest conversation about your feelings and intentions, you create a space for mutual understanding and respect to flourish. Share your own perspective openly and listen attentively to theirs, allowing for a deeper connection to form. Ask about their desires and boundaries regarding relationships, showing genuine interest in their perspective. This open dialogue fosters trust and lays the foundation for a strong and meaningful connection, where both parties feel heard and valued.